Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Era. This is my first video on YouTube and the topic of this video is how to find HCF and LCM of large number, decimal number and fractional number. Do subscribe the channel and support. Firstly, the full form of HCF is highest common factor, which means that the HCF of two number or more number is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. It is also known as greatest common divisor. The full form of LCM is least common multiple, which implies that the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number is called their LCM. Let us assume that 8 and 12 are two numbers. We need to find the HCF of 8 and 12. It would be 4. As per the definition, we know this thing that the greatest number that divide each of them exactly is their HCF. Talking about 8 and 12, 4 is the greatest number that divides 8 and 12. 2 also divides 8 and 12, but 2 is not the greatest number, hence it is not the HCF of 8 and 12. Talking about the LCM, the LCM of 8 and 12 will be equal to 24, as the LCM implies that LCM is the least number which is exactly divisible by one of the given numbers. Now 24 is divisible by 8 as well as 12, but it is the least number, hence 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Now we should talk about finding out the HCF of larger numbers. Example 108, 288 and 360. Now how to find HCF of these three numbers? We will simply find their factor. The factor of 108 can be found out by like this. 2, then it would be 5454, by 2 that would be 27, by 3 that would be 9. I hope you guys know how to find factors. 3 that would be 1. Now 108 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which can be summarized as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Now similarly for 288, it is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 2, and for 360 it is 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. I'm writing 108 over here. It would be 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now for finding the HCF of any three numbers, we take the common number in these three, common factor in these three. The common factors will be 2, 3, 2, 5, 3 and 3, 2, 3. So for HCF the common factors would be 2 cross 3. 5 is not coming in these two numbers, hence we are not considering 5. 2 and 3 are the common factors with the least powers. The least power of 2 is 5, 3, 2. So the least power is 2. Hence the least power for 3 is 2. HCF would be equal to 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 3 to the power 2 is 9. Hence the HCF of these three numbers is 36. Now find the HCF of 2, 3, this, and hence we have studied about this. This would be more easy. The HCF would be directly equal to all the common factors. The common factors over here are 2, 3 and 5 and 7. The factors are 2, 3, 5, 7, but in this number 3 is coming, in this number 3 is coming, but 3 is not over here, so 3 is not counted. Now the least power of these factors would be here, it's 3, it's 2, it's 3, hence the least power is 2. So 2 to the power 2 cross 5. For 5 the least power is 1, hence 1. For 7 the least power is 4, 3, 2. The least power would be 2. So the answer would be 4 into 5 into 49. Hence the HCF of these three numbers would be 980. Moving on to the next question. Find the LCM of 72, 108 and 2100. Conventionally we used to find out the LCM by factor method, but here we are not calculating it by factor method, just using common division method. That would be like this. We will take the factors. Hence 72 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 108 can be written as 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2, and 2100 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 7. Now, as we have done in HCF, we have taken the common factors. Now for LCM, the factors are 2, 3, 5 and 7. With the maximum power, in HCF we have taken the least power, in LCM we are going to take the maximum power. In this, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. So the maximum power is 3. And for 3, the maximum power is 3. For 5, the maximum power is 2. For 7, the maximum power is 1. Hence, by multiplying all these values, we are going to find out the LCM of the 72, 108 and 2100. So the LCM is 37800. For this one, find LCM of 2 to the power 2 cross this. The LCM will be directly written as LCM would be equal to the common factors, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 with the maximum power. The maximum power of 2 in these 3 is 3. For 3 it is 3. For 5 it's 3. For 7 it's 4. And for 11 it's only 1. I'm not calculating it. The LCM would be this. Now on the second type of the question, that is the fractional numbers. How can we find the HCF and LCM of the fractional numbers? The fractional numbers are like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 6. These all are known as fractional numbers. How can we find the HCF of the fractions? For HCF, we write it as HCF is always equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominators. Hence, the HCF of numerator in this case would be HCF of 2, 8, 16 and 10 divided by LCM of 3, 9, 81 and 27. So the HCF of 2, 8, 16, 10 be calculated by the above method and it came out to be 2. The LCM of these numbers can easily be noted, it would be 81. Hence the HCF of the given fractional numbers is 2 upon 81. The LCM of given fraction number can similarly be found out by the LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Hence, the HCF of the LCM of numerators, that is 2, 8, 16, 10 comes out to be 80, and the HCF of denominators, that is 3, 9, 81 and 27 comes out to be 3. Hence, the LCM of this fraction is equal to 80 divided by 3. Third type, which is the decimal numbers, HCF and LCM of decimal numbers. Here the numbers are 0.63, 1.05 and 2.10. Now, without the decimal places, these numbers can be written as 63, 105, 210. Keep in mind that the number of decimal places would be same in all the numbers. That is, here it is 2, it's 2. It can be written as 2.1, but it would be 2.10 as the number of decimal places are to be equalized. So the digits would be 63, 105 and 210. Hence the HCF are separately determined. Firstly, the factor of 63 are 3 to the power 2 cross 7. 105's factor are 3 cross 5 cross 7. And for 210, the factors are to be written as 2 cross 3 cross 5 cross 7. Hence, the HCF would be equal to, as we have studied earlier, the common factor. Here the common factor is 3 cross 7. The least power is 3 is 1 and that of 7 is 1. So 3 cross 7 is 21. The HCF of this number is 21. Hence, the HCF of 0.63, 1.05 and 2.10 will be 0.21. So the LCM of these number will be written as 2 cross 3 cross 5 cross 7 with the maximum power. The maximum power of 2 is 1, the maximum power of 3 is 2, the maximum power of 5 is 1, and that of 7 is also 1. Hence, the LCM of these numbers come out to be 630, which implies that the LCM of point digits, that is 1.05, 0.63 and 2.10 will be 6.3.